Hey gang, Puppy here. Setting up for this shot. I come across my first complaint about this bandsaw. The screws they give you so you can bolt it to the bench. You put them here and they keep the cover from going back on. You got to grind notches in the cover, or you got to abbreviate the screw heads. Screws lost. Anyway, after I plug this in, I found plugging tools that makes it work better. One of them strange things. Maybe it's the fact my father's an electrician, he taught me that. I'm going to cut some manzanita biscuits. There we go. On a stable position to work from. And the last cut. Ta-da. Yeah. Now, if any of you have been watching my videos, you'll know that this manzanita been out hanging on the fence next to the shop for 20 years drying. You saw how quick it went through it. Spaltered. I don't know what these tubular structures running up unless they were auxiliary sapwood. Considering the way manzanita goes, you just get a little strip of red on the outside of dead wood. It'll run from the ground all the way up, out on a branch, out behind the garage, where the manzanita only gets like 1 hour of sunlight a day. I could not get myself to cut that tree down. Boom. Anyway, as I was saying, I didn't have it in my heart to cut that one manzanita down. My mom said, well, trim it, you know. And there's just this one little there was this one little stripe of red going from the dirt up the side of the tree out just one branch. It's sticking out behind the corner of the garage. It got like 1 hour of sun a day in the summer. I'm trimming, you know, everything that's dead, got no red going on. You know, I was told to get rid of it. I'm looking at this thing and I could almost hear it talking to me, say, "No, please. This is all I got left. Don't kill me." So I left it. Anyway. You see how quick that went through that manzanita. Manzanita is a hard wood. Abscess from a bad tooth. And oh, blood. Yeah. It hurts. Anyway, my first complaint on my bandsaw: the screws they gave you to mount it to the bench would keep the cover from going on. You may want to countersink the holes in the base of the bandsaw and use flathead screws. Of course, if you're one of those guys who, you know, setting up your main area for what you're doing and everything's Velcro. Someone out there, I bet you, their workbench is covered with Velcro. And need advice? Velcro. Velcro on the walls for the tools. Don't have a fire though, because if the door opens in, you're crispy critters.